Hi, my name is Sarah. Welcome to the 12U12 app installation, sign up, and login page tutorial. Before you can access any page in the 12U12 app, you will need to install the app. If you're using a mobile device, download 12U12 from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, you'll see the blue 12U12 icon on your device. Tap the icon to launch the app. If you're using a web browser, visit www.12u12.com and open the app from the website. Be sure to bookmark the page for easier future access. Next, let's look at the sign-up page for creating new 12U12 user account. When you launch the 12U12 app, you will be taken to the login page. Tap the Sign Up Now link. This will open the sign-up page. For this tutorial, I will create an account for myself. First, I enter my first name, Sarah. Next, I enter my last name, Lee. Then, I enter my email address. To help protect your privacy, you may wish to use a nickname or pseudonym and an email address that does not reveal your real identity. Next, I create a password to secure access to my account. For birth month, I select February, and for birth year, I enter 1995 because I was born in February 1995. For gender, I select female. I would like to use the app in English. Since I am bilingual, I can switch to another language at any time on the login page or the profile page. Next, I enter my weight as 60 kilograms and my height as 170 centimeters. For group, I select person. The information in this section helps improve the accuracy of the app's analysis. For example, calorie expenditure is influenced by factors such as gender, weight, height, and age. Please ensure this information is accurate, as changes to these fields later will require assistance from 12U12 through the account and support page. Below are links to the terms and conditions and privacy policy. Please read these documents carefully. If you agree to them, select the checkbox to indicate your acceptance. Finally, tap the Submit button. Tap OK to confirm you want to create a 12U12 account. Great! Submitted successfully. The prompt says I will receive an activation email. Here is the email. Let's click on the activation link to finish the registration process. Good, I got redirected to the login page. Now let's go over the login page. If you already have an account, simply launch the app and you will be taken to the login page. If you're on the sign up page, tap the Login Here link to navigate to the login page. Let's log in to my account. At the top of the login page is a language drop-down menu that allows changing the app's language. Next, enter my registered email address and account password. If you have forgotten your password, you can reset it by tapping the Forgot Password link. Finally, tap the Login button. Here we go, we are in. Since I have not entered any data yet, the app takes me to the input page. Otherwise, the default page is the daily summary page. Check out our other features on the menu bar. Tap the section titles to watch more tutorial and how-to videos. Thanks for using the 12U12 app.